Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bakavaraju. In today's video, I am going to explain how we can add field and section to the page layout in Salesforce CRM. So if you are beginner in Salesforce or you are working in any real-time project, this topic is very important to you. By the end of this video, you will learn what is page layout, how to create section, how to add fields, how to make fields required or read-only. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to go with what is page layout. I will go with a simple example. Page layout in Salesforce controls which fields are visible, which fields are editable, how fields are arranged, how related fields are works, and buttons. So this is all the include we call it as page layout. For example, I will open my receipt objects. I open one record. In here you can see there is no sections. So currently I have one section like information. In this information section I have all the fields. So this is not properly aligned. Okay. So by using page layout we can create sections, make it as fields are read only or required. So this is our concepts. We have some other information. So everything is included only in information. Using page layout we can divide this entire information like different sections. This is happens only in page layout. So let's go with practical thing. So how we can do that? First you need to click on gear icon, click on edit objects. Once it's open, just click on page layout. In page layout we have a receipt layout. Just click on that. Once you click on that, just scroll below. You can see all the fields are arranged like this. I don't want like this. I just need one proper structure. So that's why I will create one more section. So to create one more section, in here top, you can see there is a section block is there. You just drag and drop in before the information. So in here you can also give the section name. So I will give it as billing section. So we have two options. One is detail page, one is edit page. So detail page means when open any one of the record only for the reading purpose, whatever the information we are visible to see, that we call it as detail page. So edit page means when we click on edit mode, which are pages are available in edit page, that we call it as edit page. So then click on OK. So once you click on OK, billing section is created. So what I will do, I will just go to information section. I will drag some fields to billing section. For example, I will drag from mode of payment, receipt date, number of quantity, then receipt PDF, approved date, total amount, price. Everything I drop to here. So only the basic information present in information section. In billing section, all the billing fields are present in billing section. So I will make it as this one also two columns. How to do that? Just click on properties, click on two columns, click on OK. Now our fields and sections are arranged properly. So now I will make some fields are read only, some fields are required. So to do that, currently I have one field like receipt PDF. Receipt PDF means it will store only the URL, document URL. So that's why I just click on this properties and I will make it as read only. Then click on OK. So whatever the values present in receipt PDF, it will only can see. Then I will go to receipt date. I will make it as required. Click on OK. So once you arrange everything, you just go to quick save. So once you saved, just go back to your main object, click on receipt. Just once hard refresh. Once you hard refresh, go to receipt objects, open any one of the record. So all your fields are properly structured. So I will try to create new receipt. So in here also we can see the basic information section is also there, billing section is also there. So I will make it as receipt as a mandatory, so it will showing star mark. So now I will try to create new record. First I will enter the name, select one account. So in receipt PDF, we make it as only read only. So I will give one value for that times. So in previously we made it receipt date as mandatory. So I don't enter the value for that. We will see what happened. So try to click on save. Review the following phase. Receipt date. We need to enter the must and should. We need to enter the value for that. Otherwise it will showing this error. Okay. Now, for example, if I don't enter the upload date, what happened? Nothing will be happen because it's not a mandatory field. Once the record is saved, it's looking like this. So we make it as receipt as the read only. Means if you click on this, it will showing one error. So not able to access the document. So this is how we can arrange fields and sections in page layout. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.